So as part of this particular tutorial, we are going to create a new Express.js application, and we will try to wrap the application into the Docker and deploy into the Google Cloud, and make some customization so that it can be served through public DNS. We will do that in the GoDaddy. Okay, so there are several steps we need to proceed. First, we will do creating the application in Node.js using Express. So we will try to build a very small application which serves. Okay, so for to do that, what I'm doing, I have created a new folder for this, so I will take that one also. So here it is. So what I will do, I will create a new folder called backend server hello, and I will open this particular folder which I created in Visual Studio Code. Yeah, so I have created. Now what I will do, I will create the basic Node.js process, npm init -s. So this will be creating sample package JSON file with the structure of this to get started. Okay, so the main file is index.js. Currently we don't want this, so what I will do, this particular base project is ready. So I will go to Express.js documentation, where I need to install this thing. So that one also I will proceed doing this. So once this installation completes, right, node module folder will be created. You can see here. So what I will do, now I will create one main file, index.js. So from here only we will serve this particular page. So we will go to the getting started page. So we will just copy paste this entire code and put it inside this thing. Okay, so what I will do, node index.js. I'm simply executing index.js file through node. Okay, so when I enter this, you can see, guys, below example app listening on port 3000. Okay, so this message we are getting, which means this is currently running. What I will do, I will hit localhost 3000, so I should see hello world. Okay, to do that, I will type localhost 3000. So you guys can see, right, hello world. So this is what we wanted. So currently the application serves on localhost 3000. What I will do, I will cancel this run, and I will try to put some different message. I have simply changed the message, and I will try to run again this. So we should see a different message here. Yeah, so I am serving from 3000 port, and you see me. So this is the message that we are getting. So right now what we have completed, we have created a very simple Express.js application which serves on 3000 localhost, and it displays some message. Okay, so now the next step is we need to make this particular application into Docker.